Do not let your kids near these thugs. These psychos dress to attract your kids, and after taking photos of them, just see what they do. So that ain't Minnie Mouse's phone in her hand, it's a little girl's, and she's trying to extort money from the mother. But then Hulk catches me filming. Leave her alone. She kept your phone, did she?
Huh?
Did she take your phone off you? Oh my god. Bad, man. Yeah, I will. I will, bro. You guys okay?
Yeah, we're fine.
It's on camera if you want the footage.
Okay. Thank you so much.
No worries. I did not expect this in America. Did you?
Boom! This is just another situation where we see wolves in sheep's clothing, right? So there's a principle that we implement when it comes to building security plans and protocols as professional protectors, as combatants. When I was in the Marine Corps, we were fighting the people we were fighting while we were overseas, and that is simply to think like the enemy. As parents these days, you must implement this principle of thinking like the enemy. Think about your family, think about your loved ones, think about your home protection plan, think about where you drop your kids off, think about when you're out in public. Always be thinking like the enemy. If I was someone who was seeking to victimize people, where would I place myself? How would I hide myself in plain sight? What type of urban camouflage would I use in order to gain the access I need to the different assets that I want to be able to victimize, right? You've got to learn how to think like the enemy in today's world, because the reality is the enemy is always looking for vulnerabilities. The enemy is thinking like the enemy. The enemy is assessing what is acceptable in public. The enemy is assessing the types of things that will allow you to get close to them, the types of things that'll allow them to get close to you, the types of things that'll allow you to let your guard down. Oh, we're just downtown Disney. Like, it's totally fine. Let's sit on Santa Claus's lap. Let's let Mickey Mouse take a picture with us and Minnie Mouse, right? Let's do these things. It's perfectly fine. You have to learn to think like the enemy. I'm not saying be paranoid, but I am saying be prepared, be vigilant, be protective, be intelligent, follow your instincts, follow your intuition. I pray that you have discernment, because in today's day and age, the stories are endless with people who've been molested at daycare, right? Or with the scandals around Disneyland and the different human trafficking busts that have happened in different homes designed for kids, different organizations designed for kids, different places designed for kids. At this point in time, you should kind of be thinking that any place designed for kids is a place with elevated risk. There should be additional background checks and security done on every place that you leave your kids at this point. So just as you're going through life with your family, I'm not making this message ever to alarm you, but to help you to learn how to think, because soft skills are what's really going to protect you and yourself and your family. You don't have the time to get jacked and tan and go to the dojo and the range every single day. Most of you don't. That's for professional protectors and men and women that feel called to do that, and also some fathers and people who are called to be protectors. We all have that responsibility to protect, but these soft skills, the way of seeing the world, the way of acting in the world, the way of moving in the world and perceiving, these are the things that really are going to help you keep yourself and your family safe from being victimized, and having values that protect them from being victimized. So join us for the Civilian Protector Project so you can learn how to see through the matrix and navigate it effectively and safely for your family. Boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there, and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.